Tata Consumer. These are some of the names on the upside, including actually Reliance as well. Some buying on Britannia, TCS, at least that's what the pre-open has been indicating. And off we go. It's a 30-point opening on the upside to begin with, now 38. Sensex is up about 100. Mid-cap index is very, very quiet. The Bank Nifty isn't moving. Extremely quiet start to the week is what we have. Okay, let's straight away talk about the movers on the upside. Bajaj Finance, L&T about 0.5% up. HUL, Tata Consumer, Reliance, some minor gains coming in. But the Bank Nifty is already slipped into the negative. The mid-cap index is slightly negative, and the Nifty is quickly losing momentum. So let me talk about the downside factors now. M&M reacting to that brokerage note that's come in from Bank of America, down about 1.5%. Titan is a bit weak. SBI is dragging the Bank Nifty. So is Axis Bank. These are some names on the downside as we start things off. But it is very, very precariously poised. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, they're sitting on the fence right now. Absolutely close to the flat line. Nifty's now again had a move on the upside. Extremely choppy opening, you'd have to say. Power Grid, Britannia, ONGC. These are some of the names on the upside. Nigel, literally all over the place. I mean, Nifty is finding it hard to, I think, settle and find direction in the first couple of minutes.
Well, that's right. Surbhi, and we pointed that out, right? That it's unlikely to be an 80-90 point gap up. It's likely to be more like 50-50 point. And we opened up with a gain of close to around 40 points. So the problem is in the breadth of the market. The mid-cap index, PAT went straight into the red. It's down close to around 0.2%. And I'll keep an eye out on the breadth of the market because that's really the problem pocket. A few stocks that are on focus though. BEL, they won 4,000 crores worth of orders. The street likes that. So an otherwise wobbly market, that's done well. Shobha, for starters, well, it's in the green. But remember, that stock has been seeing a lot of selling pressure over the last few days post them telling the street about that, income tax rates. Gland Pharma, I don't know what's gone on there, but that one for starters is suddenly up 2.5% in volumes as well, fairly large out there. So that stock is in focus. Dalmia Bharat, well, the initial tick was in the green, but I think now the stock is trading more or less flattish. They've exited that refractories business. They'll get close to around 800 crores. That's a good thing, but the stock is more or less flattish as we speak. And a couple of other notable names. You have Crompton Greaves as well as Butterfly Gandhamati. They announced that merger. So both those two stocks. Crompton was higher, now it's flattened out. And Campus Activewear, let's see, post TPG selling out 7.5% stake. Let's see what that one's doing. There were fairly good set of buyers that came in as well. But for starters, as flat as can be. So the Nifty holding Prashant with a gain of around 30 points odd. The Nifty Bank is underperforming for the first 3-4 minutes odd. The mid-cap index, though, that's really the problem pocket.
No, Nigel, absolutely. 25-point change. So, again, neither here nor there. Just a few other names. By the way, market breadth is now quickly slipping. We've got 1,100 stocks lower and about 780 stocks higher. It was the opposite, when we began, but not anymore. Mahindra & Mahindra is down full 2% now. It's the top volume-led loss coming up on the screen. KPIT Tech is the other one, which is down about 1.6%. That is a large cut. There is Balkrishna Industries, which is coming up with about 1.7, 1.8% loss. I'm highlighting the big volume-led losses today. Nykaa, there were, 2%. There's a 2% cut. There was announcement of senior exits. Nykaa at 134, 135. Motherson is down. AB Capital is lower. ITI is down about 3%. But then, go down the list and you risk reading out stuff without volumes, too much volumes, even for this point in the day. The Adani Group stocks, Adani Green is up 3% as the top volume-led gainer today with that 3%. Power Grid is coming up with 1.4% gain at number 2. Adani Total Gas is up about 1.5%. And you've got BEL, which is up about 1 1/3. There's nothing large or unusual at all, either on the gaining side or the losing side. Cyient is up about 2.25%. Cyient was a mover on Friday's session as well.
The asset managers, Prashant, just wanted to find out, they're losing more ground, about 1.5% on HDFC, AMC, UTI, Nippon Life. So that disappointment still pretty evident on the screen.
No, absolutely. Stocks at 1650 now. HDFC, AMC, UTI, AMC at about 650. They are still under pressure. Our market master of the day is Vetri Subramaniam, Chief Investment Officer at UTI Asset Management Company. Vetri, great to have you with us here. Good morning, Prashant this side. Thanks for your time.